All right, man, what do you got in here before I get in? Because I'm scared.
3 level 6 18s and 1 DC 75K.
Damn, that's it? All right, well, here we go. Now, I got into this thing years ago, and it was nothing nice. I can't imagine it's anything less than what it was. So, I don't know, man. I might just stand out here. Go put herself. Bitch, don't get me now. Shady for a yellow front row. Hit me, man. Hit me with that lows, the lows again.
All right, it's coming.
Here we go. Never heard anything that low, that fucking powerful yet. Not today yet, anyways. Not in a long time. That's just like it used to be, man, but better.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Oh my god, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah. What the fuck? How low is that tuned to? What's that?
Peaks right around 26. That was 19.
Yeah, 19. All right, that's legit. God damn.